Newly formed Lane and Ernesto in the Atlantic and Eastern Pacific Basin. We'll talk about that. Lane could actually be impacting the Hawaiian Islands maybe in the next week and a half or so. We're also talking about wildfires, poor air quality in the western half of the country, along with some severe weather and flood potential elsewhere, at least as you get into the eastern two-thirds of the nation. So Ernesto is a newly formed tropical storm in the Atlantic Basin. This is not expected to be affecting land as that drifts off to the northeast here pretty quickly over the next few days. Lane, however, could become a hurricane as that drifts west over the next few days. And look at the path, taking it ever closer to the Hawaiian Islands out there. Of course, you remember last week, and we had a close call with Hector, major Category 4 hurricane just south of the Hawaiian Islands. Well, this is a view near the Holy Fire in California. Of course, not only firefighters and people are dealing with all of this mess, but even the wildlife. There's a deer, a mule deer, that was dehydrated and overheated. A nice firefighter taking care of that deer to get it back on its feet. Howe Ridge in Montana, that fire also going. Firefighters fighting that on land and also by air. And all of that air, of course, smoke is moving across the western half of the country, so poor air quality is in place. And we also have red flag warnings stretching from portions of Wyoming all the way to California. Temperatures here not helping the situation. We're seeing more 90s and triple-digit high temperatures. Phoenix, Arizona, though, looking at some thunderstorm potential through Friday. Could pick up another quarter inch or so, depending on where those thunderstorms develop, maybe even more. And there's your severe threat today. It's a slight risk in southern portions of South Dakota, Nebraska. Marginal threat over the midsection of the nation, also in the northern New England states. Oklahoma City yesterday picked up a record amount of rain, 5.06 inches. That becomes our wettest August day on record, and also the second wettest August here on record as well.